Hello everyone, let's look at numbers in English and Luganda. So what are numbers? A number refers to an arithmetic value used to represent quantity and in making calculations. In other words, arithmetic value, it means a digit like 1, 2, 3 and many more. So number kitegeeza digit gy'owandiika, for example emu, bbiri. So a number zino zituyamba mu kubala, zituyamba mu expressing values, okumala muwendo gw'ekintu and calculations. Okay, katulabe categories of numbers, types of numbers. We have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. Let's start with natural numbers. What are natural numbers? So natural numbers are positive numbers used for counting objects and do not start from zero. So natural numbers zitandika kwemu tesitinamu zero, zitandika nemu ate zonna zonna zirina okuba nga positive numbers. For example 1 2 3 4 paka all positive numbers.